My topic is text mining and NLP. NLP simply stands for natural language processing. Let's try to understand this concept in detail. So first, we should know that why do we need it? So as you know that when we use internet, there is lots of data available, which we are generating, and this data is only going to grow in future. Now through the social media, as you can see, we generate tons and tons of data. As you can see the numbers from Instagram or other social sites, there is huge amount of data we are generating every minute. This is the data for every minute which we are generating. So you can see on Instagram, approximate 1.7 million pictures are posted, and we have around 34,000 of tweets on Twitter. So this is lot and lot of data. So every day when we are simply using a phone, this is something which is generating too much of data. Even when simply you are watching a video on YouTube, this is generating a data. When you are sending a message from WhatsApp, it's also generating a data. So every time when we are doing something on internet, there is only data generation process going. Now, the problem is not that we have data generation. The problem is out of all the data which we are generating, only 21% of this data is structured and well formatted. The remaining data is unstructured. And the major source of this unstructured data is it simply includes text messages from WhatsApp, Facebook likes, comments on Instagram, and emails that we send every day. Now, the question here is what can be done with so much of data? So, answer is this data we can use to grow businesses. And there is a process to analyze and mine this data so we can add some value to the business. Let's see. So let's understand the concept of text mining. So this is simply analysis of data which is available to us in a day-to-day spoken or written language. So whatever amount of data we are generating, it can be used in text mining. So we have data from Word documents, PowerPoints, chat messages, emails. Now all of this can be used to add value to a business. Now the data which we get from social media or IoT, that is Internet of Things, is basically unstructured data. We cannot use it directly. If you want to use it to get some insights from it, that's exactly why do we need text mining. So as a definition, we can say that the text mining is the process of deriving meaningful information from natural language text. So all the data that we generate through text messages, email, documents, and files, which is actually written in natural language text. So we are going to use this text mining and NLP concept to draw some useful insights or pattern from such type of data. Now let's say what is NLP and how it is related to text mining. Let's compare both of them because usually the people confused between both these terms. So let me tell you, text mining is very vast field that makes use of NLP to derive high quality information from the text. But this TM, that is text mining, it's simply a process And NLP, it's a method which we use to carry out text mining. So, as a conclusion, we can say that NLP is part of text mining. NLP is a component of text mining, which basically helps a machine to read text. Because obviously, machine do not understand English or other spoken languages. Machine operates or interpret data in the form of zeros and ones. So that's why we need a technique which we call NLP. Now, when we say a definition, so NLP, it's an area of AI, that is artificial intelligence, with the interaction between computers and human language. So whatever language which we generate, it can be audible speech, the spoken language, or it can be a written text on the document. So both can be a natural language. It's simply used to interpret between computers and human speech. Next is, where is text mining used? So let me tell you some real world example which actually you are using, but you do not know that this is somehow in the background text mining. So first is, if you write something on Google, when you start typing a word on Google, it will simply suggest you rest of the word. So this is autocomplete option which we have, and that is exactly somewhere using text mining. Now there is spam detection. Suppose you are typing some words like Netflix and you have typed wrong. So automatically the Google will suggest you the word similar to this. It will automatically detect the spam. Then there is one more, predictive typing, and also the spell checker application which we have on the board application. So these are some real world application which we have. Let me tell you few more. So we have some machine language translation applications which we use in day-to-day life. And there is keyword search, information extraction, and also the advertisement matching. Now look at this. This is a very interesting example of NLP, that is chatbot. So what is this chatbot? This is basically the solution for the customer frustrations regarding customer call assistance. So this type of applications we have in many of the day-to-day life, like Pizza Hut, Swiggy, Amazon. So whatever you want, any kind of assistance, you can simply ask to this chatbot and they can help you 24 into 7. Now, one more use case I want to tell you. So that is in terms of speech recognition. For example, we have Google Assistant from Google devices. We have Alexa from Amazon. Then there is some more, like if you have heard about it, Siri from Apple, then Cortana from Microsoft devices. These all are applications of NLP. Now, let me tell you one more interesting example. You have seen it manywhere, like sentiment analysis. So, what is this? It is simply to understand the customer opinion on a certain topic, which is used in most of the social networking sites. Whether the product is good, okay, not good, or they can be some more option. So, this is very much useful. When we have NLP, we can use it to get some insights, some reviews from the customer, and we can use it to improve the business. So I hope you understand this topic very well enough. Thank you.